Her legs keep swollen and getting bigger and bigger each day, up to a standard that she cannot even walk.
And then most of the time, ika sika nimbaso mi mfonga ni ka sika akatra wuro la fojane ba ajindila and walad na ala jankonta abukatano na laftala jala mutola atetano la jala mutola katu ka finti bunda fonto aboko kunje because bunda nyin ala size manke woti
mbama long asasa tele sasa nyi meta la sai balo nyi wo meta la kabirinta dindin no balo kuliyata le singo warta barakata no le dawda bala firola akata le akanana bari sasa inata kama efi ya ka sasa le alo waro ko na manjata kende asoto ka sasa le wate bal alnata de maro kala sasa ba atak la wate wata katare mba dala
Allahu akbar
sama koy ko sasa do bi o sumya mala kana
sumya ma oh this is sad
sumya mala kana kan nana takan sama ko yakalaf ko lok sama ko fu ngaftandi laranto ni ngaftandi laranto sa dimbañi ne ngaka fourné kono nga kembo keji ngaka tan dala sa fanul tanga mura bari o nyaaw sumya ko stop sa tara jar aran kam fo wati afta simya sina boala may prosta montarambulun sodi ala kesana na yo bemi
VM International. Someone who cannot even go by herself to the toilet. You know, she cannot eat properly, neither to drink properly. You know, her condition is terrible.
Mbadung coming aliaje nyaming abulo fanam bola nyama coming aliaje nyamin tenten dorong singo funta bulo fanam funta nyimbe kata abalo kenyala yenti andung akoniyama akadimile. It's sad, I know. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take your time.
You know, that was a time I came here to visit her. You know, I found her alone in the house.
Alone.
There was nobody with there. Mom. So that day I even cried.
I know. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Njakali. Nsingu bukatano hani janinjang. Nsingu buka mufno mbuka kofno le mbuka awilindino mbuka lano nkaro kan mbuka lano fengo kan abendimi da suto tiro rek
sa mere to ko mul ngaji la mul ke se ka bos wala ke findindi ni arrêter la fatala jonkonde e ko keno nyaadi le
jonkonde ton fenko le bembulu tubo le bembulu nko le taya fixing na fata ngayelema
wo chubo nyi wo keke nyaadi le
a chubo nyi ka fixing na sumna dulalto na fata doro ngayelema ha
wo fanan fay ka wo jola bam fo wo mun free lati
min ka fixing nka obuko jo bare nka sanne kanto adama ndiak anala boro be mkeme worogula
VM International. But now she cannot even get up from the bed. You can see it was difficult, very, very difficult for us to bring her here where she is sitting right now. So it's something that definitely is out of our hands. That's why we call on VM International TV to come here to assist us for the whole world to know what Mom is going through. Because we've done our best.
Once again, please let's share this video and don't forget to support our mother, our sister, our auntie. You know, let's come out collectively and support
VM International. Dunia bi ala la moy aliya follow from Facebook to YouTube.
Always like, comment, subscribe and turn the notification bell only on YouTube. Don't forget to like our Facebook page VM International.
Memol be kontonna ndalo Mame Hydara lon ko birkama
Mam bi ngajele ila al halo be nyamin tenting wala isingo yubuda isa ko mole nyin tati tanyadi le
ni start suto le suto mbelari mbarata doron ko be jila manjino ko ndiwo e makoy ndiwo nata nyapin kan ayen chika bira ayen chika ay kata fa en jindi olun suto mum mansino nata ta loptano to wole ketan singo fa nyati ngoto tende hanin kabi mbuka tamano mesiri noto mbuka fenkenom faye mbuka yele mano ni kombe yele mala foni e mako yele mande ni kombe kala jaaw nyama foni moli e mako ni kombe jila laran kam foni en jindi hani banta fango mbuka funtiji nyaaje mfuntita banta wato mol lencika
sa mero nyentrate bulu fo sanje jalum
ni sa sangi tamasile
so mitaka wolo kono fa sala nyin sasa do nata nyin sasa do fanan kabraya ma
sasa nyin todum
sasa nyin butum malong sasa si famim bay nin tata loptano to ul fanan buka fono mun sasa si valum nyinti ul fanan buka fono bar sasa nyin ketala sasa tal tilo mu me bi abalare fo suto wota mo nyim balare wala babulo kono ngol fintindai peron ko ta kila wala ka fo suto ngama ko ya dunta atata wo nyama man son do morla man son fem ferendina mbole nyama jeto fo suto faro keta o fano keta wolu mumi ama nyaaye la buka nya fon yele nya buka yele no ko be ko mi momi yalon ko dal sino dinkari ngay wolo soto wolu buka nya fon yele no wolu ntata wolo ko no fo wula robe tambi tan nara pharmacie ti do be ndala je nata wo nyenen ko mandina wonata jibe way borol nati akaba jiolo lay way jiolo ay so ko na jeto way makoy bar jio nyin tata fa nyata stop ta jio buka tano nato ko lo murundana o muntana way atra nyaaw nya jio mi man natano sa mbolo ko ne nata docteur do fonye ntato fana ya docteur o nyin ko abuka mo wali noya ka mo jara jeto ako fanga try nga sama loptan nga ngo mo lo mbama te mi yala nga balolo kuliyata asamba nya loptano ra ko kole yambulo ko na because ka bla ni mo to wala ka problem oti na atara kabru ayo lake ayo sino nyake nga ko nga buka wuli no abolo be sumiyata kabri nga ko to fasi ngo be lo sumiyata atata la nya la fa nya yele no ayo nya yelo le ke atata jonko to anata na akaba sala laranga mansele no amansele no asingo to taxi kilo to duma so nga try fo nga selendi ayo murul kanan do nga sin kilo fan tara duma man nano amansele no ko tangi so nga try wala nyama nga try fo nga jinni no nga mumi be jinni no laranga nga sindi ntarta wala nyama je fo fano keta kabim fano keta nata mbama di nin dingol dolbe je nata wala ko mandi wala nata makoy bar nga try la nyaaw fana ma try no ka selendi ñoy laranga because of balu lo kuliya kamala balu wartala na kuliyata mo kidim buka sikano mo fula buka sikano sankata ke kana wala nyinin nang nga ke kana wala nyinin nang wala kana yamma koy dole lo teng kamuta santa to situation wala ko na jito nata try mbadi ma do long wota fo bir kama loptano to kata ambulance o nyinin nang bay ma blandi no moto ko na taxi buka sammano nyim private moto fana buka sammano na manke komi te ambulance o do wala sa ma ko no ko aftandi loptano to sa wolta ambulance o nyin nati kabra nati ambulance o la stretcher ni yol nati nam fo fala la rango bala kabri ya nati fala la rango bala mfintita nga ke kana wol kumandi min tata fo ke kana tanyo kata ni musulu min ya lan ko wol fanan be kafta ngan ka ma ko kalando stretcher kan ka nyori kana aftandi fo ambulance o to banta kana ani wo stretcher base ka blandi ambulance o kon nyine katan na nyata bir kama loptan ba nga bir kama loptan ko tumando ni tel fanan be jibe rol tumando mol be soto la min ya lan ko ya ko ni ya witness le kabri ambulance o futata wato minna mo ma soto no mimbe mbama jindi no la ka samba pour ya samba kata e ba atan nanyo pri ba je no la nyama ma soto no fo nata tay la ila bunda balato ila sicortiol min kata je wol nin fandin ke kewol min be sirinji wala ka futa no nyoma inata kana kamba ma koy kana ka bonde stretcher kan kala nino laran kanno inata check no inata fa ko ya landir yo lando kala ngatil nan na kabri kama loptano to e ko ya bulale wol mom femfo iko ya bulale o
nyama ay ke loptano to but still itol ma fo nyina mu sasa ko ngoti
e ma fo nyina mu sasa ko ngoti nyin sasa la bala e kanal doron e ko boro diala e yelo tale ko yela sele tala yala sukuru jibe ko sukuru kurantal e ko wala yelo man sele sukuru kurantal e kanyin doron na fo moli e kanyin dama na fo sombo la jeto nil bordi wato site na e boro diala fo tinna ni njango inate ko yombulale yombo loptano fon ko na jete be mbulal ko sama wolu mbama ketuta mbulo ko non loptano kon adaba kankan bonde la ngim borta ngi kumandi nate yela masingo fixay bari o nyaaw be jela nyaaw so mo fa le mbama bule conseil so kon mbe so kon ko bugata ko mo fa nyaato na be laring aniyo ko suki abuke ni jino abuke ni jino sa nka siya ko male nka semben nim fangola nindo ma nko nyo falim mbama di nin dingolo wote no ko nyo falim butun abadi mado bije min kana ka ma ko wala ka chubo nyo fixa wala nata fanyen ko nal kalbe nyi
chubo men chuboti
chubo wala mu ko sumuna dula e ka min fix sumuna dula ko mi itata findino la kata jongo on fay chubo fixe sumuna binale ni min konal pour sumuna so ne ale bulo ko na nyame butu wonata fanye nga alkudo ke barka nyin sembe dal fangal te ñu akuliyata la mon koy akanta al telephone sasa butu nata fudubal la ñini bunko nga fengol la dajale ñu ka nga fudul dada fo fudu sabanyo fo nani ñom nata landa koma nka ko lande o kan ko buki la street sa nata try ko MRC fanam fanye ndara MRC o fana nga kata pour kata MRC min ko chubo fixa ten wala makoy o fana ko pour ngata MRC wolto mu Suleiman Kamarati Suleiman Kamara abo bay bari karola badi ngolo abe MRC re do ko wala aka kata baki atala kana ko chubo fixa butu nata fo nyongo apo meno fix la jeta asinana bari ntel leta mam futano atodo MRC hakela kamba ma fintinde bunkono ka dundi taxi kon ma keno because wolu ma ambulance soto kabiringo subala for 9 o'clock be entarale mamba mak fintindino ka dunde ka taxi kono no mba ala nata so nandi wato min no kata 10 ma fangolti e ko MRC bunda clostal sa nata blo wosomu wulta talan nan sutole nga try fo nga dunino taxi kono talan nan sutu mbe futala wato min atara suba mansi MRC kono ntarta siri wo nyama jeto jita moto ko nga sira ngo nyina ay nga sindi bar ameta siri nyaming MRC ka do ko commence edle among ma opportunity soto no ko dunno MRC kono bay mela bunda yel bunda datom sita wala batata fa mala ka bata nyaming mul nata nga ronke nata ta jeto ngali ma ko kabirin kunu suto nimba ma biya man dunno butun kamano nyi nata ma ko si chorto me bunda dato akonye sa ma ko ya dunni nan ko bar nyinta buti abuka tamano fali ma ko wil ka yato ngabulandi je wolon puspuso nyinti butun tata puspuso nyinin nan fo loptano ko na MRC loptano ko na findi tan banta mol nata yem ma ko ngasinde puspuso ka bar mbama singo warta puspuso selawdula abuka singo lonoji sai musudo nata o bala fatanye onata ko nya sai teta simuta lo singo to yesingo mutanga tata ko manka pus algata so nta ka simfulo la mutanga wulindi nka o campus nta katane ko mala ngakete na fondunta MRC kono mbolto jeto kaytol nyini albe duna janal bita jano tanen na e ko sasa to nyin tatu no la sirin fonga tray ngafrande nyi bungol betu abe ba check la dawo dande ata tar no la noto mbotane na law puspuso kan ala nata ka kana tambulo puspuso kan akana tambulu woto wonata ke mbulu kole yaku bat MRC kono wolum docteur ol findita ya trailer nak ba hanama dingo min kay isofo e findita kam mako pour mbama ko no la nyame mbamru no puspuso kono manke no amanke no ko betra manke no e natela a docteur la ta ke plokum ke natana fo perengoto yela masingo findin nan kana kala yelo jibi anala sukuru e kala sukuru tala ala yelo amala yelo mansele wol docteur fana nata yela inscrit mota yaka amini nga ko na opera ngola jiloto yaje wol docteur ko aman sasa nyinga maje
so ni ko iman sasa je mena kana itala hakilo kono
ni ko iman sasa nyingi woka kanta bulu dewun ku bati bay momin be nyin al halo nyama tenti momin na situation no beteng ibelari lara ngola kan ibu ke fa sambano ni ataro molo mi ala mo ka sekanole ina kata wo ka fisiale bari momi yalan ka katar laran nol to laran kan fo mo jamal la kana dengale yasika yo ni wo nata ta loptan docteur wol ko man sa nyingi wo ka kante ni ku ya bati aka kenya bala fa bati bari nga ala dani fana man sa tala ata min be dar norin ko bela fo ala se mo fintin nantel kan mi yalan ko abe ma ko no lamba ma be yin situation no min kono tende fa sa bono ji nyame because mbama be dami ba batare ne o batare ne baba kala ko kam bala fa because abe ala atani minimum fulangol tibi ni yol jibe wala be ja
kana kumbo it's gonna be all right kana kumbo mbadu ngolum mtolle woje it's a very sad story to be honest this is what she's going through and I think we all need to come out collectively and support our mother, our grandmother. She can't walk. She can't do anything by herself. Her legs is been swollen. And according to her stories, from what I heard, I was told that one night, just one night, she was sleeping and all suddenly she woke up asking for help for someone to support her because by then she can't really walk. But we're going to break down this story. But what is more important, let's come out collectively and support the woman. Sa ni mala fake ba makoy. Ita na mul sa makoy no sila nya dilala.
Nterbe min nyinin ka wala mu jara roti. Comme ça ni ba makoy no la nyam ni sa min ba kan fa Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala man so ba se kan wala kan nyami. Mbole dani kan ala bulo kono fa ala se sabu nyima kay ala sa mul findindi na kan min yalon ko isa makoy fa nyun kuran balara kan ten ala sa se ka kan kayro.
Allah ala bo kalala. So ni mo la fa futala tol me be futala ma nya dile.
Ntelbe pirikama le. Mbe pirikama jidale. Mbolo to.
Albowal to. Woto mbadu ngol hani bi doron kamen ka faale nyamin. Nimin la fa ka makoy because ala ya gele ngina ma di musoti. Andu nyum famu yamarolti momo ni wulula be bulo kono ni ya topoto ala se topoto ni bala fate la wulula e ala sa bala fe ni yamute la wulula fe ala sa mute fe oto momo ibe dawda ananga katanga na wulula la muta andu ala nyim fo qur'ano kono ako momo ni ko karamu la wulula alti amma ko nimmo e wulu akono kono damma woda mala la wulula ti hanide hani mo mi alon ko ani ibamu fulangolti wala ni mama mu fulangolti wolbe mu lawulu lalati andu min kuma do fanan kono wala nga finti nga mero nyinta nga mako alani kilay woto mbadu ngon nimin la faka mako doro nka number sol ke screen wotole alsam kumandi +220 369955 on WhatsApp isaje wato wate nalion kumandi doro nsajibe mbalala nyaadile nga mako
At least she's a mother, and for her age right now, she's not that old. It's because of the illness, but she's not that old. She can be moving around, going up and down, walking, doing so many things for the society, especially for herself and the children, because most of his granddaughter and grandson are with her. She was the one who used to take care of them, paying for their school fee, stuff like that. But now she cannot do all that. To pay rent is a problem because she's not living in her own home. Maybe sometimes her daughter, she's renting, as you can see. So it's not easy because he has to feed herself. The children are here, and then so many things.
What is her source of income?
Right now, he has no source of income.
Eko wata me ko wafuro ke kamna wafuno?
Nka aisle wafe.
Eka aisle wafu.
Ha. Nka bondi birkama jande nka sama yundum.
Eka sama yundum.
Ha, yundum marsetu.
So kabru wata jumala ete stop ka wafuro ke.
O metal sa indomandi.
Sa ite la balu wala ala halo be janya adile.
Ante ka danile. Nka daniro leke. Ninga min soto ngawodomo, ninga min soto ngadomo, nka molle dani. Hani nabungo ju buka sone ya. Nka molle dani.
Puri ma ko yela bungo.
Ha, punu en ma ko nganna bungo ju. Nka danile.
Okay. Wo kola yemun ko ya kola soro mi alon ko woni nyin singdi mo manke kelendi.
Akole ya kul be mbulle de kantun dimbatire munte andun ndawal bondo kam batande. Na dimbal balundi nyaka njakale. Amanso ne yambul fereng dimbal balundi nyaa njakalindi. Nabungo jonya njakale.
Isingo fane njakale.
Isingo njakale. Isingo bukatano hani janninjang. Isingo buka mufno mbuka kofno le mbuka awilindi do mbuka lano karo kan mbuka lano fengo kan abendimi da suto tiro rek.
So that's why we are appealing to the world, to the goodwill, to the people that can, help for God's sake. Let them come to her aid.
Yeah. So what do you think is a solution for her at this point of time?
Because we were out of solution, definitely. That's why we called for your intervention, Mr. VM International, for the international world to know that this is her case. Maybe we can have some angel that can come to her aid. Yes.
Dear viewers, just to let you know, this is a very sad and a critical situation that Mom is going through. Like I said, one hand cannot clap, and I think this is high time we all come out collectively and support our Gambian sister. She's a Gambian, she's from West Africa, And I believe that whosoever come across this video, please, your help is needed. And also try and share this video for the sake of God. Because if you said you can't help, the first thing that should run into your mind is to share the video to anybody you think can really help the old woman or the lady who is definitely going out of hand. When I came here, I saw her condition. She was in her bedroom. She cannot move from one place to another. She cannot even move her leg from one place to another, including her hands. And even if she wants to come out, these are some of the challenges that she faces daily and at night. And I was also told that at night she cannot even sleep properly because she spent all her night crying all alone. And sometimes it's difficult to really support at home. By right, Mom should have been at the hospital and been taken care by the nurses. But unfortunately, in the Gambia, the facilities is not enough. And I think this is where the government should step in to help such people that are in need. Because thinking about her case in these circumstances, you come to realize that she's not fit to be at home. Remember what Wilson told me. He said he came here one day and found her alone in her room. And loneliness alone is another mental challenge that we all go through, especially someone who is ill. She might be thinking about her life, about the circumstances, about her past, and now the presence is torturing her. So I feel like we should come out and support. This is not the right time to blame. It's time for us to come together collectively and support. And now I'll let you know, if you really want to support Mom, please, I'm begging you, please call us +220 3699 555. If you want to have more information as well, always link me and I will always direct you to the right direction. So on that note, Wilson, what other messages do you want to put across for people to hear from you?
Finally, I will just say thank you, Mr. VM, for coming. And thank your cameraman too and the whole team.
Yeah.
We want to tell you that you're doing a very good job, because helping a single mother is like helping the whole world, like they used to say. And one rotten potato can spoil the whole bag.
Yeah.
But one good one can also make so many things. Like I told you, she's not that old.
Yeah.
She's just a sister to me. You understand?
Yeah.
Right now, in her case, she's supposed to be going and coming freely like any other else, any other person. So for her to be in this situation, it's not her ways. She's not old enough to be sitting in this condition. She was very brave.
Yeah.
A single mother that can afford everything for her family. Now sitting down here, there is nobody that can do like her to her family. So that's why we say we're trying to seeking help. Maybe one person cannot do all.
Yeah.
Like if you have contribution, we can put things together and try to help her in this situation. This is what I have. I'm calling to all the philanthropists also, the companies, good people, goodwill, the people that can donate to share information also, to the world. Like we just need help, and that's all.
That's all. But la situation be nyaming comme ya fo nyaming iko amanye la sero soto amon sukur ko ran soto e man sa fo ngolaje mialon ko isa fo no sa salom. But en tolbe la observation oto ngano ko anindi molwe laring anindi mom tata nata sa salam woti. But sa mialon ko laptal maje wo fanan abalafa anin ka senka fanan akakole abakale woto nim fotata nyente men doron nin ada ko mo be dal fa kam fo molye imam mim fo iso fanan fo molye fanan ngak programme nyum kum fa to mado alala de maroto mo kendol be dawda isa fatalma yal makoy bismillah
me mi folo dorom wala mbe misil mo be danila mbe dunia be danikan ni muso min ketam bamati abe batari ne bata nyala mi yalon ko asembo wartale batare na de bata nyala mi yalan ka sembo warta baya katu siri larang la kan dorong anala salu ta buka jeje ala jonkon ko na buka jeje ati ala larang kan doron no akita nyaaw nyaaya ma ko ile abe ke ka nyaaw nyaay ba ma ko ilal hani ka yela ma ila karo kay ba pus la ya ma ko na yela mano wanta mobe dunya dawda be daniro kala ila ma ko ro so futano mano nyami fo mbama fa ala saka sa botenting ala sa su jata kende ala asa murun anyama kundu abotano nyami ala ya nole asake ano ala ma ya ke fana.
We will definitely work hand in glove together with you to support her. If you know that you can help, please do not hesitate. We will also do our best. She's yet to have GoFundMe, but we will do our best to make sure that she have the GoFundMe. In case some of you who does not want to communicate directly, but you can do your donation through the GoFundMe, and in that aspect, it will be transparent and everybody will know exactly this money that was raised by Mom belongs to her. So we are here, we are trying to do our role, we are playing our role, and we want each of you to come out in solidarity and support. I saw her sister, she was crying bitterly. I saw her brother, crying bitterly. I personally, behind the scenes, I've been crying, especially when I saw her on her bed, all alone. When whosoever comes in, her first word is, please help me, help me, help me. Please, let's come out, because humanity, this is what we call humanity. So it's time for us to contribute. It's time to put our money together. It's time to put our minds together. It's time to put everything together that we have. Do not say, oh, the world is difficult. Someone who is in need of your help are the people that needed to be supported. So let's support our beloved single mothers, especially Mom, who is going through a lot. On that note, if we have come to this stage, we would love to conclude this program by praying to everybody who is willing to contribute and those who have the good intentions to share the videos, to support her willingly without expecting anything out of it. So I would like to thank my cameraman and the VM International team, including my manager, Mohamed Drame, Uncle Kamara. Thank you all for all your contribution. You all give me hope to come here. Though it's not easy to help an individual, we are all doing our best and we can help one after the other. So the VM Worldwide Foundation, you can also try your best. Go to YouTube and subscribe, and also follow us on Facebook page, because we will be bringing some of the updates, especially the people that are going through a lot. So on that note, we thank you for watching. We thank you for your effort. We thank you for your sympathy. We thank you for your love. And we thank you for everything. May God bless you.
VMTV ko tonya lebe laban adia tala mandia le dia di best abekela le abekela al sonta alman sonte di best abekela le abekela sai VM la ko bebe internationale VMTV kubayata sai la ko bebe internationale VMTV kubayata he moye minfi wole VM minfi wole kafaling wole gavali yara la ko be manakale kensenti